Strawberry season's definitely not over.
Breeding there's always a moving goalpost. So every time you come out with a new variety and growers embrace it and start growing it, you're always still looking for something better yet.
So you have June-bearing strawberries, which they produce for a limited amount of time. Now with Everbearing, they'll continue to flower throughout the season, as long as it doesn't get above 25 degrees Celsius.
The neat thing about the Everbearing strawberry is that it keeps going right till beginning of October.
Instead of this 1 month period for the June-bearing, you have this whole season where you can produce and eat strawberries.
Rather than just flowering first thing in the spring and pushing out a whole bunch of fruit like the June bearers, they flower and then they fruit and then they flower and they fruit, and they send out new flower buds about every 4 or 6 weeks. And so you get flushes of fruit throughout the whole summer, and it's great because you really get to extend the season for availability of that fresh strawberry.
Day neutrals will basically provide fruit from the minute it's warm enough till it gets cold in the fall and then the plants shut down.
The bigger portion of the crop starts in August through September.
It's amazing in September, when we're still picking strawberries, how sweet they actually are. They're getting very close to what our June strawberries are like.
In a general statement, every variety has a different flavor. The ones that you would see around here, mostly, would be Albion. We do see some Seascape, as well as Diamante.
There's a lot of strains. This one is called Albion. Of all the Everbearing strawberries that we've tried, this is the one that not only it's a nice large berry, but it has great flavor too.
So the majority of Fraser Valley strawberries that are day neutral are the Albion variety. It just has the best characteristics of good flavor, good production, and good quality fruit.
Well, of course, the beginning was that, oh, these can't be local strawberries because local strawberries are only in June. And so there was resistance because they didn't understand what was actually happening, that we were able to actually get into longer term strawberry production.
The Everbearings definitely last longer. They'll last longer in your fridge. They'll last longer at your retail store.
And now that they know it, it is definitely growing, and there's quite a number of growers now that are growing these as well.
We basically grow it to ripeness, and the flavors there, all the compounds that you enjoy, the sweetness, it's just delicious.